The rice, steamy, nice, flaky, and everything. It's looking good. Mmm. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So the rice passed the test. Everything's good for the rice. We're gonna test out the chicken right now. Right now, the chicken is still a little bit watery. So for this part of the recipe, guys, you're gonna need about 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Then you're gonna add your Mexican rice, right? Stir it up a little bit, and then let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, and your rice should be good to go. So now we're gonna add 2.5 cups of water. Ooh, look at that steam. This is hot water, guys. And like I said earlier, once it comes to a boil, then you want to add your packet. Then I'm gonna add some black beans. This is black beans right here. Just 1 can of black beans. Just pour it right in, just like that. And then we're just gonna stir it up a little bit. After you give it a nice little stir, you're just gonna close the lid and let it simmer for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. You should be good to go. I'm also gonna add a little bit of Szechuan seasoning, about a teaspoon, just to add a little bit more flavor to it. We're not gonna overdo it because the rice packet already comes seasoned, but I just wanted to add a little bit more flavor to it. That's good. Close the lid and let it simmer. All right, guys, so right here, I have my chicken. This is one whole chicken. It's already clean and washed, all that good stuff. The rice is cooking. I have my seasoning right here. I have some cayenne pepper, some crushed pimento seed, white pepper, some garlic powder, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and some chicken seasoning. So we're just gonna combine everything together, just like that. And we're gonna mix it up. And we're not gonna let this marinate, guys. We're just gonna toss it directly into the oil with some curry powder. Burn the curry powder a little bit, and then continue the cooking process. All right, guys. So at this point, you wanna burn your curry powder. All right. So I got this cooking oil right here from my chicken fat. I extracted it from the chicken fat. You wanna fry your chicken fat for about a minute or 2 minutes in order to get this oil right here. All right. So now we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and then we're just gonna stir it up. After you stir it up, then you'll add your chicken. So we're just gonna burn the curry powder for a few seconds, about 30 seconds. You don't want to burn it for too long. So now we're just gonna add our chicken. Just want to stir it up. Yeah, after you stir it up and it's fully covered with the curry powder, all that oil and sauce and all that good stuff, then we're gonna add some hot water. That's about 3 cups. 3 cups of hot water. Stir it up again. And then we're gonna add our veggies, all right? Our natural seasoning. I have some onion, some green onion, thyme, crushed ginger, a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper, some habanero pepper, and some carrot. Alright, so we're just gonna bring this to a boil same way. Yeah, I'm on high heat. And then we're just gonna cook this for about a good 30 minutes. Yes guys, so it's been about a good 20 minutes for the chicken. The rice already done cook. So we're gonna do a little quick taste test. You know? Yeah man. So right now the rice steamy, nice, flaky, and everything. It's looking good. Mmm. Yeah man. Yes guys, so the rice passed the test, you know. Everything's good for the rice. We're gonna test out the chicken right now. Right now, the chicken is still a little bit watery because we still have about 10 or 12 more minutes to go. So once you get to that last 5 minutes, you know, you're gonna start build up its own gravy, but I'm just gonna test the flavor of it, if it needs more salt or seasoning or anything like that. So that's hold on. Hold on. Let me do a quick. Let me taste it. Taste the gravy. See that? Oh God. Mm-mm. Whoa. Mm. Yes, guys. Curry chicken tastes good. Yeah, man. So, few more minutes. Chicken will be ready. The rice will be ready. Or we're gonna put probably a little bit of vegetable on the side or coleslaw on the side. Yeah, man. And the rest is history. So, continue to watch the video. Don't go nowhere. Yes, guys. So, curry chicken, bubble like soup. Yeah, man. Looking beautiful right now. Yes. So like I said, I'm just gonna make the water, you know, the gravy dry out a little bit more. A few more minutes. Yeah man, we should be good. It's time to turn up. Yeah man, so if you want the best Jamaican food, any type of cuisine, just call me man, Chef Keegan. Yeah, Keegan's Kitchen. Yeah, the #1 chef in Florida is eat all over the world. Global. Yes, that is it. Oh yes. This is it guys. Just a few more minutes and the curry chicken will be ready. Yeah man. As you can see, the gravy is nice and rich, you know? Thick. Yes. This is exactly what I was looking for. You know? The right, you know, consistency, texture, and everything. Yo, man, I tell you, you know, I wish y'all could try this right now. This is gonna take you right back to Jamaica. Yeah, man, Jamaica land we love. Real curry chicken, authentic. Yeah, man. Whoa. Alright, so we're just gonna make the gravy dry out a little bit more. And then we're just gonna put everything on a plate and make it look nice and fancy. And then we're gonna taste it. Is it? Yeah, man. Alright guys, so time for that taste test, you know. Curry chicken right here. Oh. Curry chicken guys, is on point. Wicked. Oh. The Mexican rice with some black beans, you know, and corn. Yeah man. You know, the rice is nice and soft, nice and flaky. Yeah man, everything is just right. perfect combination. Everything blend together really well, you know. Yes, guys. So we're at the end of the video now. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. You know, for more amazing recipes. I have a bunch of more amazing recipes coming your way. If there's a certain recipe that you like to see, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll definitely add it to one of my upcoming recipes. All right. So yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. Stay safe. Peace.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.